आइए आपको ले चलते हैं वज़ीर आज़म मोहम्मद शहबाज शरीफ बहरीन मनामा में मुनक़्क़िदा कारोबारी बरादरी की तक़रीब में शिरकत और ख़िताब कर रहे हैं।
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Your Excellency Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan. Your Excellency Sheikh Khalid bin Abdullah Al Khalifa, Deputy Prime Minister. Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is our great pleasure to welcome you to Bahrain Bay. It is my honor to invite His Excellency Sheikh Salman bin Khalifa Al Khalifa, the Minister of Finance and National Economy, to say a few words.
Mr. Prime Minister, your presence today reaffirms a relationship rooted in history, built on centuries of friendship, and carried forward by a community whose contributions continue to enrich both nations. Generations of Pakistanis have played a vital role in Bahrain's growth, and today many have made the kingdom their second home. Pakistani financial institutions, Habib Bank, United Bank Limited, and the National Bank of Pakistan have been important contributors to our financial sector for over half a century. Mr. Prime Minister, distinguished guests, across the Gulf Cooperation Council, we are witnessing a generational transformation. The region is becoming a center of innovation, sustainability, and technological excellence. The Kingdom of Bahrain is proud to play a leading role in this transformation, building an ecosystem where creativity, enterprise, and bold ideas become the foundation for future prosperity. In financial services, Bahrain's forward-looking regulatory environment, skilled talent base, and thriving fintech landscape provide an ideal platform for Pakistani banks and innovators to expand their regional and global reach. In digital technology, Bahrain's cloud-first strategy, high-capacity subsea cables, and expanding digital infrastructure are positioning the kingdom as a regional center for data and connectivity. This opens powerful opportunities for firms from Pakistan in software engineering, artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and next-generation digital services. In manufacturing, Bahrain's competitive industrial base, Industry 4.0 readiness, and access to regional markets create a fertile environment for joint ventures in metals, automotive components, electronics, and advanced technologies. As Bahrain advances Vision 2030 and lays the foundations for Vision 2050, we see Pakistan as a partner of a shared economic future, a future defined by resilience, innovation, and inclusive prosperity. Our ambition is clear: to build a partnership capable of creating new industries, empowering our people, accelerating technological progress, and strengthening our role as contributors to regional and global prosperity. We honor the achievements that have brought us here. We celebrate the progress we are making today. But above all, we look to the future, a future we have the opportunity to shape together. Prime Minister Sharif, thank you for honoring us with your visit. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Now I would like to invite His Excellency Mohammad Shehbaz Sharif, Prime Minister of Pakistan, to deliver his remarks.
Bismillahir-Rahmanir-Rahim. Excellency Sheikh Khalid bin Abdullah Al Khalifa, Deputy Prime Minister of Bahrain, Excellency Dr. Abdul Latif bin Rashid Al Zayani, Minister of Foreign Affairs, Excellency Sheikh Salman bin Khalifa Al Khalifa, Minister of Finance and National Economy, Bahrain, Excellency Abdullah bin Adil Fakhro, Minister of Industry and Commerce, Excellency Muhammad Hisab Dar, Deputy Prime Minister of Pakistan and Foreign Minister of Pakistan, members of Pakistani delegation, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At the outset, let me express my profound gratitude for the gracious and very warm welcome extended to my delegation, and ever since we have landed from our home to our home, Bahrain, we have thoroughly enjoyed the hospitality of our Bahraini brothers, particularly His Majesty the King and His Royal Highness the Crown Prince of Bahrain. I would say that I would carry these great memories back to Pakistan, and this wonderful welcome extended to us will remain in our memories for all times to come. My very dear brothers, Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, Bahrain and Pakistan are two brotherly countries, and our relations span over decades. These relations are based on cultural, religious, mutual respect and trust. These are the pillars of our relations. Our strategic cooperation has been there for decades. But today I am here, and this is what I respectfully conveyed to His Majesty King Hamad bin Isa Al Khalifa and my very dear brother, the Crown Prince and the Prime Minister, that Pakistan is ready to enhance our economic cooperation with brotherly country Bahrain in the field of agriculture, IT, AI, fintech, and all other areas where our two countries can really work together and create synergy through our efforts and our knowledge and our experience and our commitment to support each other. I am extremely grateful to His Majesty and to His Royal Highness, the Crown Prince and the Prime Minister for their unwavering commitment towards Pakistan. Our meetings have been extremely productive in an atmosphere which was like a family. Ladies and gentlemen, by the same token of imagination, may I say that I am not a visitor here. I have come here to meet my family members, our Bahraini brothers and sisters. This is what our relationship is all about. Now we have to convert these wonderful relations into economic cooperation. And there I'd like to mention that Pakistan has great youth bulge. 60% of our population comprised of young boys and girls within the bracket of 15 to 30 years. And in Chinese parlance, it is a challenge as well as a great opportunity. And we are committed to convert this challenge into great opportunity by empowering our youth, by training them in the field of IT, AI, vocational training, skill training, and together with our Bahraini brothers, entrepreneurs, we will create a great momentum in this field. I think this is the time to really cash upon, because time and tide wait for none. Dear brothers and excellencies, may I also mention here that it is equally heartening to see our vibrant Pakistani community of over 100,000 in Bahrain, which continues to bring honor to our nation and embody the very best of Pakistan. In every country I have visited, I have interacted with our Pakistani communities and listened to stories of men and women whose love for Pakistan has never faded, even as they have dedicated their talent, loyalty and hard work to the progress of other nations and cultures. The more I learn of these journeys, the more convinced I become that Pakistani identity is not bound by geography. It lives in the hearts of our people, wherever they may be. Here in Bahrain, that spirit is visible beyond any ray of doubt. I salute you Pakistanis for your service both to Bahrain and Pakistan. You are great ambassadors of Pakistan. We are very proud of your contribution to Pakistan's national economic development. Your hard-earned, through your untiring efforts, money, valuable remittances amounting to $484 million in the last financial year is indeed highly appreciated. For that, I am ever so grateful to His Majesty for his generous support to Pakistanis here, for his love and affection for Pakistanis here, and of course to my very dear brother, His Royal Highness the Crown Prince, for his outstanding support to Pakistani diaspora. And I would urge, I would request my Pakistani brothers and sisters here that be great ambassadors not only of Pakistan, but great ambassadors of Bahrain as well, because together, it's like two souls and one heart. Our hearts beat together. I'm sure by your great work, you make our Bahraini brothers and sisters proud of you. Let me assure you that Pakistan's doors and my own door will always remain open to all of you. Ladies and gentlemen, under His Majesty Muhammad bin Isa Al Khalifa's visionary, dynamic and sagacious leadership, of course, the great leadership and stewardship of Royal Highness the Crown Prince, Prince Salman bin Hamad, Bahrain has emerged as a beacon of economic growth, financial innovation, and human-centered development. Pakistan deeply admires your great journey and draws inspiration from Bahrain's forward-looking model of growth. Pakistan offers scale, talent, resources, a growing consumer market that is strategically located, connecting to the wider region. Combined with Bahrain's financial expertise, business acumen, and global outlook, the potential is huge and enormous. Ladies and gentlemen, Pakistan is undergoing a structural transformation, embodying economic reforms, digital modernization, and a decisive push for a private sector-led growth. We have cut red tape forever, strengthened our regulations, and opened new sectors such as agribusiness, IT, minerals, energy, and tourism for long-term partnership. Here, Honorable Deputy Prime Minister of Bahrain, Honorable Finance Minister, Honorable Minister of Industry, and Foreign Minister and Excellencies from Bahrain business houses, we would request you to come forward, and we would like to work together, learn from your great experience and expertise, and make Pakistan's industry, Pakistan agriculture, more vibrant with your advice and your knowledge. Finally, I'd like to mention here, ladies and gentlemen, that Pakistan GCC FTA that has been nearly finalized and is expected to be signed soon. This will enhance trade between Pakistan and the GCC countries, particularly with Bahrain.